Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a spotlight like this. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition. Hit OK, go to layer, new solid and I'll call it Spotlight 1. Change your color to white, then hit OK. Okay, now go to effects and presets and type CC Spotlight, drag and drop, and here we go. Okay, now I'll go to height and change it to 0. Also go to intensity and change it to 100. Okay, now I'll go to this point and I'll move it like this, and also another point like that. Yeah, very. I'll go to cone angle and increase it to 12 and also edge softness to 100. Yes. Okay, now I'll go to Spotlight 1 and Control D to copy. I'll change normal to spray and I'll go to CC Spotlight and change this point like this. Hey, come on. Like this. And this point also. Yes, very good. Now I'll go to frame 5 seconds and keyframe here and also here. Then go to the first frame and change this point like this, and also Spotlight 1, CC Spotlight, and change this like yes. And now see. Oh, Oscar. Yes. Very good. Okay, now I'll go to the last frame again and I'll go to Spotlight 1, CC Spotlight, and change this point like this again. Also Spotlight 2, CC Spotlight, and change this point like yes. And see. Yeah, very good. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.